Hello, Uwch Reolwr Diogelwch Tân, Paul Scott ydw I. I'm Paul Scott, the Senior Fire Safety Manager at North Wales Fire and Rescue Service. This is clearly a very worrying time for all of us, so I wanted to personally reassure the people of North Wales that we're working very hard during this pandemic to make sure that you continue to receive the very best possible service from us. We are all immensely proud to be working around the clock to keep our communities safe. But continuing to do that over the coming weeks and months will not be easy. Each one of us has a crucial part to play in this time of crisis. That's why I'm appealing to everyone today to be especially careful. We need your help to avoid us being called out unnecessarily. By preventing emergencies, we are better placed to keep you safe as well as keeping our firefighters safe. We've seen an increase in the number of kitchen fires recently. People absent-mindedly leaving cooking unattended or placing items on hot surfaces. Please don't get caught out in this way. Stay alert. Don't risk your home or yourself just because of a simple mistake. We're also worried about people cooking when they are under the influence of alcohol. Please plan ahead. Don't end up in the kitchen trying to prepare food when you're really not in a fit state to do so. Please act responsibly outdoors too. Unfortunately, we've also seen people burning garden waste and carrying out controlled burning on their land. This is really not the time to do this, as it puts others at risk. Fires get out of control, and that means we're busy dealing with them when we could be needed elsewhere. Please think more carefully about the consequences of your actions. By being sensible, you can make a huge contribution, helping to cut unnecessary demand not only on us, but potentially on our health service partners too. We're working very closely with our partners to help get everybody through this crisis and to ease pressure on our services. This will ensure that we are all here for you. But our resources can only stretch so far. We can only succeed with your help. Don't be the one that causes that unnecessary strain on our services. At this difficult time for everybody, please think. Keep yourself safe and help to keep others safe. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.